10 health benefits of apples. Number 1. Apple has malic acid, due to which it keeps our teeth clean and healthy. Number 2. Apple contains pectin, which reduces our cholesterol. Number 3. Eating apple every day will boost your energy level. Number 4. Eating apple prevents wrinkles on your face. Number 5. Eating apple helps in controlling body weight. Number 6. Eating apple reduces the risk of having cancer. Number 7. Apples increase brain power. Number 8. Apples are rich in fiber and help control high blood sugar. Number 9. Apples detoxify your liver and promote good health. Number 10. Apples provide vitamin C and beta-carotene to fight against infectious agents. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share and leave your comments. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.